we've decided to share with you all some of our latest debut of the virtual tasting here at Palmaz Vineyards. And each one of these bottles has about 250 mLs of wine inside. That is the equivalent of 1/3 of a bottle. It is more than enough. If we were actually in the tasting room and pouring tastes, it would actually be the equivalent of 4 tastes. So we're saying that each one of these flights is more than enough for 2 people. It's a really generous tasting for 2 people, or it actually really could go up to 4 people. So if you have a group of people with your friends and then you want to send a couple other packages to other friends and make a real big virtual tour, it could be a really fun party. So Sean and Teresa handle our national sales, and Teresa's focus is the West Coast, and Sean then handles the rest of the country because the West Coast is such an important market for us. And tell us a little bit about what you guys are thinking for these cute little baby bottles.
Well, we're so excited. I mean, you know, when our lives all changed and we were talking about ways to integrate with our customers around, you know, you and I had the conversation, whoever can really figure out a way to get multiple vessels inside of the customer's hands for them to taste live with us is really going to be what's going to really take this whole virtual experience to the next level. So, you know, we know that we've got the technology side between what we do with Life Size and the content that we can push and the video, and we can share all the great features about what the winery does, that we can share it in a better way than some of the other platforms might do. So it just really increases the experience for the customer. And now that we can get these bottles in front of the customers in their glasses, it's going to make it that much more of a better experience for everybody.
And talking with our customers, primarily, you know, clubs like country clubs, tennis clubs, yacht clubs, you know, just to mention a few, in addition to high-end retail customers, there's been such a demand on how can we bring a experience safely into their homes with wines, where there's an opportunity to experience a winery if you haven't been here before, or to expand your knowledge.
And for those that have met Teresa and I around the country and seen, you know, when we talk about the winery, you know, obviously great wines is, you know, they know us for having great wines, but they also know us when we do our iPad presentations that we're a very technologically driven winery. So this is obviously one aspect that we all feel very comfortable with in terms of engaging with our customers in these ways.
It's been a lot of fun, and we've seen actually it can be interactive, it can be silly, it can be fun, it can also be really serious, because, you know, when we ship the flights, we'll be able to customize with you and really come up with whether you're interested in doing a deep dive in libraries, or you want to taste the whole portfolio, or if you want to just focus in on the Cabernets and taste through all the different Cabernets we make. So we look forward to sharing with these with you. We look forward to if you are not traveling quite yet or hesitant to get on an airplane, totally understand. We are still here for you. We will see you virtually online soon, and we'll still be able to share a glass of wine together. So with that, cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Cheers.